All right, guys, so we're back in for another one. Here again at Redcon1 Gym. I got my boy Martin in town.
What's up, boys?
Somebody hit me up yesterday that this monster's in town. And I guess, why not?
Get it.
So, you know, I've been a fan of this guy since, I don't know, I think I reached out to you one time.
Yeah,
I'm
long
like,
time
you're
ago.
looking fucking crazy, bro. Like, holy shit. And I've seen you train, bro. You train like crazy. You train with BOOGIEMAN, right?
Yeah, train with Branch, train with Brett, train with
I love
Keon,
the intensity that you guys bring, and yeah, that's why I thought, you know, Martin and the Boogieman, I think be a great collab. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir, man. So I'm not getting ready for shit. So I'm just here to make sure this guy gets
so
the
basically,
best
what
sets
you're saying is that he's strong as fuck.
Hey, we try to be. We try to be. That's for sure.
All right, so today we're gonna be hitting back. We are just over 6 weeks out from Mr Olympia. This guy's gonna push me to my max today. And we're gonna do back, probably gonna start with some traps.
All right.
Probably do some 2 exercises for shrugs, for traps, and then we're gonna move on to the more fun part. Let's go.
Let's do it.
So what you're saying, Martin, you never isolate your traps, right?
Never, bro.
So basically all your deadlifts and you do a lot of deadlifting, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's where my traps mostly probably got the size. Also, like those upper back rows.
Yes.
I have real good connection with my back, so I can feel that trap at the peak of the contraction, you know. So I feel like I get a lot of trap from that.
Yeah, that's right.
And I haven't done traps directly in years, but when I was in college, we did a ton of like high pulls and shrugs and stuff because I was a thrower.
Oh, wow.
So through shot put and stuff, so they want us to do that for cleans and snatches and hang cleans and shit like that. So I did a ton in college, and after that, I've just kind of never done direct shrug work. But you know the deadlifts, they killed it in shrug.
Oh yeah, for real.
I
remember the days that I used to go crazy on deadlifting. Let me throw these on it. I wake up next morning with my traps all messed up.
Yes.
But you know, I love to isolate, you know, every body part, you know, from traps to rear delts, all those little body parts, and then yeah, man. So that's why we're starting with some shrugs today. Taking Martin out of his comfort zone.
Let's do it. I like it. High day, low day.
What's that?
High day or low day?
Is it high day or low day? It's no high day, it's no low day for me.
No?
It's like flat. What's up, bro?
Everything good?
Yes, sir. Trying to kill this motherfucker. Kill him. Oh, he's gonna kill me. Oh, he's gonna kill me. Yeah, man. So we're not doing no carb cycling with me. Everything's kind of like base, you know.
Okay.
And as we get closer, carbs sort of drop.
Yeah.
Every week, depends on how I'm looking. My carbs quite low right now, actually maybe around 300 grams.
Okay.
And I'm probably gonna drop a little lower. And then cardio. The highest we've done was at 35. Now it's time to go down. So we're back to 30, and then probably maybe next week probably go to 25.
Okay.
And then hopefully 3-4 weeks out we cut it out. So
Okay. Cool.
that's what's up.
Yep. Come on. Let's go. Easy money. Good. Good. Shrug them shoulders. Don't bend them arms. Up. Yep. Good, Leslie. Good. Yep.
Let's go, man. Come on, big work. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Work. Let's go. Work. Up. 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 Martin's a lightweight. Sit.
Come on, Wesley. Lock the fuck in. Come on. Yes. Easy shit. Good. Good. Ain't even started working yet. Come on. Good. Good. Now we work. Good. Good. 5 more. 1, 2, 3. Get him up. Come on. 4. Good. Good set. Woo! Good set.
Come on. Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5. Come on. 6. Come on. Come on. 11. Come on. Up, up. Up.
Keep pushing.
Come on. Up.
Keep on.
Up, 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 up. Up.
Yeah, come on.
Up, 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 up. Ah.
Woo. Lose weight. Come on. Let's see. Easy shit. Come on, Wesley. Lock in. Good.
Ah.
Yes.
7,
Ah.
9,
Ah.
10.
5.
Come on, top.
Ah.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Second.
Good.
First.
Yeah.
Go.
Come
Go.
on.
Go. Pump it up.
Ah.
Good.
Pump
Good.
it
Good.
up.
Good.
Aggressive.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
More.
Ah.
Yeah. Good set.
Ah. Yep. Yep. Come on. Yep. Come on.
Yeah.
Yep.
There you go.
Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Work. 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 Come on. Work. Let's go.
These are the ones. Come on.
Yeah. Work. Work.
Come on. Keep
Work.
going. Plates falling off.
Work.
Keep going. Keep
Work.
working. All the way.
Come on.
Yeah.
Work. Yeah. Come on.
Good job. Set.
I did doubles for a while early on. I did it, but I could eat that much. That's the only way you can.
Oh my God.
The winter.
Come on. Up. Come on.
This is gonna be for the follower. What about cheat day?
What about cheat days?
Yeah.
I cheat right now. I haven't had a cheat in like almost 8 weeks. Since we started prayer, I haven't had a cheat. And I think probably in the next 2 weeks, my body will get to a point where, I'll want some extra carb, extra sodium, and then you start to see the effect of when you're laying, that's right now, no cheat. You cheat off season?
I mean, right now, bro, I'm eating as much as I can because I'm natty sauce and
Anything,
trying to
everything?
keep up with you motherfuckers. I just gotta eat. But no, in the off season, man, I can get away with a lot. I have a crazy ass metabolism, but I've done preps where we did cheat meals every week, and I've done preps where minimal cheat meals. This year for Texas, I didn't eat a single dirty thing for like 22 weeks or something.
Yeah, that's
So
intense.
it's like whatever you need mentally. I think some guys mentally, you might even just need it just as a break from the food that you're eating. For me, I love dieting. Like, I love suffering. I love it. So for me, it's like, it's almost like I love the challenge of being like, okay, one more week without a burger. Okay, one more week without a burger. You know, and I'm like you where food is still decently high. So I'm still eating 10 ounces of protein every meal. I'm still getting a good bit of carbs. So it's not like you're starving to death. You just have to get in that mindset. You can't think about it as like, oh my God, I can't wait for that food. I'm not really food driven anymore, but early on in my preps, I was like super food driven. So like my coach was like, do a cheat meal every week, but we have to push a little bit harder during the week.
You have to earn it.
But the mental break of it was good for me. Now I don't need that mental break, but I think it's kind of depends on the athlete, right? So like for you, you probably don't need the mental break, but you also want to see kind of what your response is for a carb up situation too. Because you're gonna need more food than you normally do.
Exactly. You know, right now it's like cheat for me right now. It's not for the pleasure, like, oh, I'm craving fat. I'm that. Nah, it's literally just to see how my body responds. And those response are like, you know, it's like it makes you like, you know, it makes you see what you can get away with in terms of carb loading, and you know
what brings that
the
good
peak
look.
week. Yes, exactly.
Yeah, for sure.
And as of right now, you know, we're just enjoying this diet. I love dieting. I love prepping. I don't understand how people be like, you know, be all moody, and you know, I enjoy prepping than off season. Off season, I eat so much food and it's disgusting. It's like you can't even move. It's not nice. You know, so when I get to prep, I gotta get up in the morning. I gotta do my cardio. You know, my body weight's dropping down. Now we're about, you know, low 280. I feel I can move. You know, I can. You know, I can tie my shoes. You know,
right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
So just little things.
Not having your girlfriend put your socks on for you.
Exactly.
It's a nice feeling. Right? Come on, bro.
Hey!
Let's go.
Sha!
Yep.
Break!
Good. Good. Good, buddy. Yes. Easy. Easy. Good. Finish up.
Woosa. Woo! Come on. Yeah, it's all about that illusion. Let's go. Come on.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
Come on.
5.
Yes, sir. Bring them elbows in closer to your feet. The closer your elbows are in here, the more lat you use. So try to keep this closer to you. There you go. There you go. So in any back movement, the closer your elbows are, more lat it is, more teres, rhomboid, more rear delt. Like where his elbows are, he's almost rear delt lat. Both, you know. This is the one for her, man. I think it's
Another one of my favorites. Low cable rolls. Targeting that lower lat. Just trying to bring up that thickness on the lower lat, you know. Come on. We're like almost in your face.
Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on, Blessing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's eat. Come on. Come on, Blessing. Yes. Come on. Give me all you got. Yes. Yes. 2.
Yeah.
One more, big dog. Come on.
Flex on this now. Yeah.
Woo.
Give me the ooh-sah. Ooh-sah. You want some more, Kai? Kai wants some more.
You want to eat this?
All right. Wait a minute. What's going on here? Uh-oh. Yo, world, wait a minute. What's good? I'm going to give you the tap. Give you, a little bit of the, oh, shit, come on. We got sneaking up in there.
How you doing?
This is too much going on.
Too much
doing?
energy, Kai.
I don't know.
Too much energy,
What's
Kai.
your training?
A bit of back.
Oh,
Yeah, you don't know
I got some
nothing about
cardio.
that,
I'm going to be over there.
Kai don't know nothing about back.
You know, I
Big
ain't trying to
back.
mess with y'all.
Nah, you
I'm
don't.
trying to get in no trouble.
We starving.
I'm gonna get it done every day. You know. Yes.
All right, man. Good work.
Running for the hurt.
Come on, last set. Big set. Let's go straight. Come on. 10 pauses. And then we ride out. Boom. Nice. 2, yes. 3, yes. 4, yes. 5, yes. 6, come on. 7, come on. 8, come on.
Drag it.
9, come on. 10, let's go. Let's go. 5 more.
Right now. This is the
5,
top spot.
come on.
Top spot.
4,
Work
come
for it. Work
on.
for it.
3,
Yeah.
come on.
He wants it.
2,
Yeah.
come on. One more. Yes, hold it. Yeah. Cool shit. Cool shit.
Yeah, like a dog. Like a dog.
Come on. All right. Yeah, come on, B.
Good, buddy.
Come on, bro. Let's
Yep. Good.
Nice.
Yep. Woo-wee. Woo-wee.
Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Work. Let's go. Work. 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 Yeah, come on. Cool. Cool fucking shit. What's your next one? What you gonna
Shit, bro, I might take off till 2024. Try to get that Arnold invite, 2024.
You're not gonna do a show next year?
Maybe end of the year if I feel like I'm big enough. But I'm too small, man. Y'all kick my ass inside. So I want to put on at least 5 pounds, but I think 10 pounds will get me start to be in that running for that top 5.
This game, it's not about your size, bro. You got that beautiful shape.
Definitely helps for sure, bro. I just keep this waist small.
Yes.
My chest and my arms just need more density. My back is good, my legs are real good, but this is still looks a little amateur, especially when it dries out. You know? Yeah. But
It's
you know
crazy
what
because
I'm
we have
saying.
like that expectation for ourselves. So our mindset's like, yeah, after that I'm like, nah, not good enough. But then, you know, other people looking at you like,
Absolutely.
but you know, that's how you get better.
Yeah.
You know,
100%.
you gotta aim real high and never settle. First go out, bitch.
Come on.
First go out, bitch.
Good blessing. Good.
Come on, work for that shit.
Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Woo, that was good.
That was a great.
That was a good set. Come on, big dog. Big set now. Come on, big set. Yeah. Let's go. Big set. Come on. Come on, easy. Too easy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Work.
Come on.
Work.
Drag that shit now.
Work.
Yeah.
Hey, work.
Work
Come on. Hey, work.
Work it.
Come on. Hey, work. Come on. Hey, work. Come on. Oh, good shit. One more. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Last I think we can have one more play.
Come on, motherfucker.
Woo-wee.
First call out.
First call out, baby.
Come on.
Down less.
Let's eat.
Down less.
Let's
Let's
see
eat.
it. Let's see this work.
Come on.
Let's eat.
Beat him in the gym. Beat him
I'm
on the stage.
hungry.
Come on. Yeah.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Good.
Yes. Good. Good.
Halfway.
Come on,
Perfect one.
Keep going. We already started. Now, this is the main course. Don't let him stop, man. Keep him
More.
going. Push it.
More.
Yes.
Woosah. Woosah. All we do is fucking win. Come on. All we do is win. Come on, let's go.
Yes.
That's one.
Yes.
That's two. Come on.
Yes.
That's three. Come on. Four. Come on.
Keep it tight,
Five.
keep it
Five.
tight,
Tight.
keep it
Tight.
tight.
Tight. Stay
Tight.
tight.
Use
Up.
it.
Yeah. Come on. Up. 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 Hey.
Don't
Up.
come
Up.
out. Stay in
Up.
a second.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Up. Yeah. Up. 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 Do two up. Come on. 7, 6, come on. 5, come on. 4, 3,
You got this. 2.
2, one
Take
more.
him out.
Shit. Thought that was a heavy bitch.
boy a beast.
Woo. It's go time.
What time it is?
It's go time.
I like it. Woo. One of the only guys that can kick my ass in back. Woo. You and Ian. Woo. Ian's back.
You there with Ian?
Fuck, too. He's an ox, bro.
Yeah, no.
He's strong.
He does look like one. But I like to poke at him, bro.
Yeah.
He's a sensitive son of a bitch. I like to play with him. You know what? I like you like Ian, you know. I like
He's honest and fair.
do I like him? I know, but I respect him.
Loves to hate him.
You know?
Yes.
I love the fact that he said what the fuck he want to say
Yeah.
without giving a fuck. For that, Ian, you got my respect.
Yes, sir.
I wish a lot more bodybuilders are like Ian in the industry. I feel like he'll be a lot more fun, you know? So we control each other, we can talk shit to each other, we can have fun. At the end of the day, we can always shake hands. We can always train together. If when we're training together, we can still troll each other. You know what I'm saying?
That's the fucking
But people get make it all personal and this and that. Man, fuck you.
Seriously, have some fun, man. It's bodybuilding, it's also entertainment.
Exactly,
If-
right?
Right, if you guys wanted us to be on TV, you wanted us to be mainstream, that's what it needs. Excitement.
Yes.
Rivalries.
Yes.
Talking shit, having
Yes.
fun. Also, camaraderie.
Yes.
So it needs all of it for it to be important. So
Exactly.
remember that when we're talking shit, when we're doing that, it's not because we hate each other or any of that. It's just for fun, it's competition. And to breed competition, to breed the best competition and the best rivalries, You know, it's Kai Green and Phil Heath whipping and hair in each other's faces and bumping elbows. That shit is fun and exciting, and that's what we're trying to do with bodybuilding.
Hell yeah. It doesn't mean they don't respect each other. Of course they respect each other. At the end of the day, this is competition, you know, and you fans, that's why you guys watchers. You guys want to be entertained. You know what I mean?
Are you not entertained?
Let's go, Martin. Big word. Come on now. 2. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Easy. Good shit.
What's going on, B?
Yeah! Come on! This is where the show's won. Come on!
Come on, Martin. Light work. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Up. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Up, up. Come on.
Let's see! Come on, Boogie! Let's go! Time to go! Yep! Nice shit. Come on. Yes! Easy! Yes! More! Halfway! 1, 2! Come on, 3! You got 3 in you. Yes! 2 more! Yes! 1 more! Yes! Ooh, hey, shit!
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Come on. Come on. Let's get it. Come on. Get it. Let's get it. Woo. Big bang. Yep. Yep. 2. Come on. Go. Yep. 3. Come on. 4. Come on. 5. Get it. 6. Come on. Work. Yeah. Come on. Almost there. 8. Yeah. 2. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
Still weak as fuck. Yup. Yup. Good.
Good contraction, come on.
Yup.
Come on.
I'm with you. I'm
Cool,
with
let's
you.
go. Contract.
Yes.
Contract.
In there.
Hold it, hold
In
it.
there.
More, let's go. Good. Let's get started, come on. Quality.
Yes.
Contract.
Hold up,
Contract.
hold up.
Don't rush it.
There it is, there it is.
Don't rush it.
3.
Good.
4. Good.
Try to hold that contraction. Good. Come on. Come on.
Yes.
Let's go, B. Come on. Control. Let's go.
I'm glad that wasn't just me. Because I only got 10 there too, and I was like, fuck.
Nah, this goes quick.
10 perfect ones. Come on. Yes. Yeah, head up, chest up, feel that stretch here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Elbows by your side, drive them elbows. Stay in, stay in. Keep it in the left. There it is. There it is. Come on, get them all the way down. Let's go. You got it. Drive. Back. Come on, stretch them big. Stretch them big, let them loose. Let that chest open up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get them. 2. Get them elbows in. Elbows in. Come on, drive them to your hip.
Not 2.
Yes.
Not 2.
More.
1. Keep going.
Yes.
Keep going right now.
Yes.
Keep dragging that shit.
Go. Go.
Yes.
2 more. Come on, 5.
Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah, that was good. Ooh, and that's how you finish that. Yes, sir. All right. Time for some biceps. Some biceps. Come on, Mark. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. 4. Come on. Up, up, up. Yeah. Woo.
It's only your first
100.
Yeah, yeah. What you like?
Well, it's like I tell people all the time, I'm like, I want Hunter Labrada to win. Because our physiques look the same. So that too.
He's made a lot of fun.
Yes, he has.
Yeah. Slow down. Yeah. Yeah. Pump. Pump.
Oh my God.
You just hammering these? Yes, sir.
People still wondering. I wonder what's in Boogieman's cup. You don't know. He won't tell you. You'll never know. Secret.
Yep. Easy shit.
Oh my God.
greatness. Come on. Road to greatness, baby. Come on, let's get kicked. Yeah. Come on. Good shit, bro. Come on now. Come on. Yep. 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 Yep.
Still got you.
Yep.
Big 2023.
Yep. Yep. All right. Bless it.
Good details, bro. Come on, go now. Oh my God. Five more. Come on, keep going.
You gotta be. Come on.
2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 5 more.
Finish.
4,
Yes.
3, 2.
Finish.
Oh my God, bro. Fuck. Good shit. Woo! We did it. All right, guys. That's another one with my boy Martin.
Good session, bro.
Hope you enjoy that workout, bro.
Hey, with my ass, man.
That was a little
Big,
welcome
little
to
different.
Redcon1 Gym.
Little
Oh
different.
yeah?
Yeah. I like it.
Oh yeah?
Good. The traps fried me, dog.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I felt that shit the
That's
whole
like
workout.
a pre-exhaustion.
The whole workout, I felt that shit. That was good, man.
I gotta come out to Texas. You in Texas, right?
Yeah.
I gotta come out to Texas. Show me
Hey.
how it's done.
You come to Metro Flex, we'll let you
Yes.
soak up a
Oh,
little
I was
Ronnie
so
sweat.
lost, bro.
Let you soak up a little Ronnie sweat.
Yeah, you and
Get that-
Branch Warren.
Kick your ass, man.
Yes.
Have fun. Come on
I
out.
would like to get my ass kicked
Come on
by
out.
Martin and Brett Warren. I think that'd be great. Probably maybe after the Olympia.
Yeah, for sure.
Off season.
I'll be starting my big push in January,
Yeah.
so come out. We'll get
You say you're not gonna compete till the end of
yeah, end of
2023.
23 or beginning of 2024.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
fine.
just take time, go put on 5-10 pounds of muscle, be able to hang with you.
You say, hey, come on, guys, look at this guy. I'm sure you guys follow Martin. Martin is a fucking beast, man. He did 2 shows this year. That was Texas, right?
Yeah,
With
Texas.
the Arnold. You were like a top 3 at the
Yeah,
Texas?
Texas, we got second.
Oh, second.
4th
Wow,
at the Arnold
amazing.
UK. At the Arnold UK, it was a little bit flat, but that was where I saw, like, I just need a little bit more size. You know, James Hollingshead was like 275 on stage.
Yeah, and what you are?
Patrick Johnson was like 260 something. Andrew was like 280 something. I was 232.
Oh.
So
How tall are you?
5'7".
5'7".
Yeah, so I mean, I really don't need to be that much bigger, because realistically, probably like 240, I'll hold my own. 245,
Yeah.
I'll be big enough then.
Yeah.
Because even at the Arnold UK, I didn't look small.
No.
I looked like the short guy in the group, but I didn't look small. So if I have that extra 5 pounds, then I think I stand out. You know,
Oh,
and
yeah.
it's like, oh shit, he's big now compared to everybody else. So
And one thing that I love about your physique is like it's so aesthetic, bro. The small waist, that round muscle in your legs, bro, and the condition that you come in as well. Plus, when I see you hit the vacuum, bro, dude, it makes your physique look so much more
I love it, man.
appealing and
classic,
aesthetic.
classic, man. That's I mean, like I was saying earlier over there, man. Like that's what makes me love bodybuilding. I've never been a huge mass monster fan. Like Flex Wheeler's my favorite bodybuilder.
Exactly.
Like that V taper, pulling a vacuum, having like aesthetics to go with it. Otherwise, it's just like you're just a monster. Like that's cool, but like Eddie Hall's a monster too,
Yeah,
and he's
yeah.
super strong.
Yeah.
He's not a bodybuilder, so I'm crazy about that. The vacuum, that's something that I've always been like, I'm gonna make sure that I'm 270 on stage or whatever, still
With
pulling a
vacuum,
vacuum, because I think that that's badass.
It makes, yeah, it is badass, and especially a guy, big guy like you, big guy like myself.
It makes so-
any open guy hitting vacuum, it's not easy, bro.
no.
You gotta put in the work.
Yeah.
That's why a lot of guys don't bother to try,
can't.
because it's not easy. Every
Right.
morning you gotta fucking practice and practice and practice, you know. But it definitely adds to your physique. You know, just makes it more aesthetic,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I love it.
I
It's
can't
more relatable too, because you know guys who want to look, the mainstream guys. I mean, want to look like that. You know, I have a lot of guys that are not mainstream. They don't want to look like that.
Yeah,
Bloated.
yes.
You put a picture of you and someone else, and you're streamlined, and he's a lump.
Well, especially
Not
right
the
now
first of
too,
that.
with the way Classic's going and how popular it is. I mean, we're the guys that are going to make Open appealing, right? Like, Open has faded in the last. I mean, hasn't faded. It's kind of coming back right now. But say 3 years ago,
Yeah.
Open wasn't that exciting, and everybody was all about Classic. Now Open is getting exciting because we have Classic guys with way
Yes,
more muscles. That's how it
Pure
is.
bodybuilding than what it was.
And that's what makes this Olympia so special and
Bro,
so
it's back-
exciting. There's a
back
lot
to
of
the
guys
90s.
with like beautiful shapes. You know, guys who've never been at the Olympia before. Now everybody's
Crazy.
showing up. You know, we got Samson Dauder. You got Kreezer coming in. Andrew Jack, myself.
Yes.
Bunch
of new
Rafael Brando. There's a lot of great guys, new guys.
New guys. That's a cool
I can't remember
thing.
everybody.
It's a change.
Derek, of
Yeah.
course, Derek.
No,
Wild card.
It's a changing of the guards, man. I've been telling people this for a long time, but I've kind of been seeing it in the future, and I've been saying this for about 2-3 years. But you're about to see bodybuilding be the 90s bodybuilding that everybody talked about and
Yes.
said like bodybuilding will never be that again. No, it's about to be that. You're about to see 15 to 20 guys that are all murderers.
Yes.
And it's literally going to be like, whoever's your favorite guy is who you think is going to win the Olympia. It's not it's a given. There for a long time, like when Phil and, I mean, honestly, when Phil was there, it was like, well, they just give Phil the trophy and then we'll let everybody else go home and fight for second place. Well, now it's like, who the fuck knows?
Yeah,
who knows?
yeah.
You know, I mean, it could literally be a new face comes and steals the trophy. You know,
Exactly.
and that's crazy. That's
what
that's
bodybuilding
Ronnie
is.
going from
Yes.
9th place to winning the trophy. That's what's making bodybuilding exciting again, dude. So that'd be really cool to see. And like for me, it's like this is the last time I'm sitting in the stands. Oh, yeah. So it'd be cool to watch you guys, cheer you guys on, but also know in the back of my head, like, I'm bumping elbows with these boys next year.
It's
so.
motivating as well.
Yeah,
you
no,
can
it
see
is,
as well
man.
when you start your prep. You're like,
It's crazy for me, like just for me to think that, you know, I'm actually getting ready for Olympia. I'm like 6 weeks out from the Olympia because I remember last year watching, you know, I remember before the guys come, the fire, you know, the fucking the music, Olympia. Oh my God, it was so exciting. And now to be part of that story, it's like it's special. I am really, really pumped, man, and oh my God. I think when I step on that stage, I'm gonna be emotional, you know, because it's hard work, dedication.
every day for how many days? And it's finally
It's been a dream for years and years too, man. You know, you're making something come true that you've been thinking about for years, man. So it'll be cool, man. No matter what happens, take that in and soak that moment up, man.
And I'm excited for you too, man, because you really got something special, bro.
Like just getting started.
You know, exactly. You know, just all about following your journey, staying positive, staying your pattern, being realistic to yourself, and know what you got to work on, and just put the air down and just grind.
Yeah, no, like we said, man. I know where we're at. I know that like I could have chased and probably got to the.
Oh yeah, easy. Oh yeah.
But at the end of the day, like I want to be where you're at, where it's like I can look at that top 5 and say like I'm gonna bump elbows with them. I know that I'm gonna do that. And for me, I stepped back after the Arnold and was like, okay, I think 5 more pounds, 10 more pounds, then I definitely will be that. But I'm not just gonna go to Olympia because fuck getting a participation trophy. Exactly, I ain't getting a participation trophy.
All right, guys, that's the end of our workout. If you're not following Martin, please follow this guy. It's funny as hell. It's no filter. I love his energy. He talks a lot of shit.
Yes, we do.
Hey, I'm not the only one. I just get my 8. That's why.
True. He just got more followers. He just got more followers.
I just got my 8. But hey, listen. Make sure to keep supporting the channel. Drop your comment. Let us know what you want to see. Hopefully, you guys are gonna see myself and Martin collab a lot more. And you're gonna be coming down to Florida a lot more.
I'm gonna be here.
So,
absolutely.
You know. So guys.
Absolutely.
We out.